Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.